Love it. VXD has sounded. Maybe that's your minute tone?
Yeah, that was my minute. I think I still have 4 minutes left.
So my flight was 5 minutes and 50 seconds, including takeoff and landing. And I had 3.88 on my battery, so that tells me I got a 7-minute flight, and I'm really happy about that. I was expecting 4 minutes total.
Yeah, I have mine set for 10 minutes. That's about half a tank.
Yeah, that's kind of like the old BMW motorcycle airheads. They're so kind of fugly ugly. They're gorgeous. This,
I think I'll get it set up for a landing. I'll come in and pitch out.
yeah. Okay, so this is Bob. He's going to come in and push out. Alright, setting up for landing. I'm going to move back so I don't get in his line of sight down the runway. Coming in. I like that. Leading off speed. Taking it down. Lots of runway left, lots of runway left, and perfect!
Nice!
Perfect. Another perfect. I'm going to keep filming as you come back. Come in center gate. We're breaking the rules. We're coming in center gate. Beautiful.
Right there.
There she is, boys. Okay, Bob, walk behind for me, Bob, so I can get you in the video. I'll post mine and yours on the guys. Okay, so Bob, what is your motors and props again?
I have 13.8s. These are Sato 82s that are on there.
Sato 82s. Nice. Thank you, Bob.